Nutan Verma, your own Montessori teacher. So my dear viewers, hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to talk about birds. Yes, I know you all love birds. तो इसीलिए मैं ये वीडियो आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ. So first and foremost, we are going to talk about peacock. The image which is visible to you on the screen, this bird is called peacock. इस bird को हम क्या कहते हैं? Peacock. मुझे पता है कि आपको ये पहले से ही पता है. तो हम peacock के बारे में कुछ interesting facts जानेंगे आज, ठीक है? तो I know, I think आपको पता ही होगा कि peacock is the national bird of India. Okay? Peacock is our national bird. And now, let me tell you one thing. This peacock, which you can see on the screen, you know that it's a male. It's not a female. अगर मैं बच्चों के टर्म्स में बोलूं, तो ये boy peacock है. Okay, this is not a girl peacock. जो girl peacock होती है, that is called peahen. And here we have peahen. Yes. Look at this. Peahen is not that attractive, है ना? तो जो male peacock होता है, जो boy peacock होता है, वो बहुत ही beautiful होता है. It has like long feathers, blue and green color generally. And one more thing, you know that peacock is not just green and blue color. It is found in some more colors. Okay, as you must have seen in zoo, that white peacock is also there. You know, so peacocks are also of many colors. But in India, generally we find this peacock which is of mainly blue and green color. Okay, so these are the two important things. Now this peahen and peacock, okay, this is male, this is female. What do they eat? They eat grains, then they eat worms. Yes, peacocks eat worms also. Now, can you tell me, do peacocks fly? Yes, peacocks do fly. लेकिन वो ज़्यादा हाइट तक फ्लाई नहीं कर सकते. ओके, तो जैसे कि 1 or 2 स्टोरी बिल्डिंग तक वो बस फ्लाई कर सकते हैं. ट्रीज पे क्लाइंब कर सकते हैं जैसे फ्लाई करके. ओनली दैट मच. दे डू नॉट फ्लाई हाई. Might be because of their weight and the feathers, very long feathers which they have. So they do not fly high, but yes, they do fly. तो हम उनको non-flying bird नहीं बोल सकते. Okay? These were some of the interesting facts about peacock. Now, the other bird which I would like to talk about is the largest bird on earth. Do you know which is the largest bird on earth? Yes. Correct! It's ostrich. Look at this huge ostrich. Isn't it very big? So, my dear viewers, this ostrich is the largest bird on earth. Okay? Now, this bird cannot fly. ये बिल्कुल भी fly नहीं कर सकता है because of its weight and size. But the interesting fact is that these ostriches run very fast. Yes, actually they are the fastest running birds on earth. Okay? तो ये एक बहुत ही important fact है ostrich के बारे में. Though it is a non-flying bird, it fly तो नहीं कर सकता, but it can run very fast. Okay? और इसके जो eggs होते हैं ना, वो भी काफी बड़े होते हैं. So now you should not forget. If you know this, it's really good. But if you don't know, so you should not forget now that the largest bird on earth is ostrich. Now you must be thinking, if ostrich is the largest bird, then which is the smallest bird? I'll tell you. I'll come to that. The smallest bird on earth is hummingbird. Look here, this cute little hummingbird. Hummingbird is very small, okay? और आपको पता है जो hummingbird होता है वो backward fly भी कर सकता है. Actually, hummingbird is the only bird which can fly backward. Okay? And hummingbird, what does hummingbird eat? वो कोई grains नहीं खाता, वो कोई worms नहीं खाता. Hummingbird जो है वो सिर्फ flowers का nectar drink करता है, flowers का juice drink करता है. Okay? You must have seen butterflies. What do butterflies, honeybees, what do they do? What do they eat? They drink the nectar from the flowers. अच्छा, nectar, yes. The word nectar actually, जो flowers का जो juice होता है वो इतना pure और इतना अच्छा होता है कि उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Nectar, nectar of the flowers. Okay? और ना वो पीता ही रहता है mostly, like almost all the time. उसे बहुत सारा juice चाहिए होता है क्योंकि वो और तो कुछ खाता नहीं है ना. और उसे कहाँ से एनर्जी मिलेगी? From where it will get energy? It keeps flapping its wings so fast. You can't even make out when it's flapping its wings. ऐसे लगता है जैसे फैन जैसा कुछ चल रहा हो. Yes, hummingbird looks extremely beautiful. बहुत सुंदर लगता है. Okay, और इसकी जो आवाज होती है, जो chirping होती है, the chirping of this bird is also really melodious. वैसे तो सभी birds की आवाज बहुत अच्छी होती है, but hummingbird की आवाज भी बहुत ज़्यादा melodious होती है. Okay, so now you know which is the smallest bird on earth, and that is hummingbird. Correct. तो अब हम next चलते हैं. The fastest flying bird? Do you know which is the fastest flying bird? So, my dear viewers, the fastest flying bird is falcon. Yes, falcon flies very fast. Okay? आपको पता है ये क्वेश्चन एक बार KBC में अमिताभ बच्चन जी ने भी पूछा था. So, the fastest flying bird is falcon. Now, the next bird which we are going to talk about is kiwi. Yes, kiwi is a non-flying bird. और kiwi जो है वो बहुत ही छोटी बर्ड होती है, बहुत ही छोटी सी चिड़िया होती है. kiwi is generally found in न्यूजीलैंड. आपको पता है कि न्यूजीलैंड के जो लोग हैं उन्हें भी काफी बार kiwi कहा जाता है. आपने ये टर्म बहुत बार क्रिकेट देखते हुए सुनी होगी. So generally, New Zealand players from New Zealand are called kiwis. Kiwi is New Zealand's national bird. Okay, so look at this. It's very small, but its beak is very long and sharp. And the last bird which I'm going to talk about today is owl. So my dear viewers, you must have seen owls in the zoo. Yes, मैंने क्यों नहीं बोला कि अपने आसपास देखा होगा, क्योंकि आउल जनरली हमें अपने आसपास नहीं दिखते हैं, बहुत ही रेयरली दिखते हैं. आउल्स जो होते हैं उनको हम नॉक्टर्नल एनिमल्स कहते हैं. Why? Because वो जो है रात में जगते हैं और रात में ही वो अपने प्री को ढूंढते हैं, शिकार को ढूंढते हैं. एंड they will be awake whole night. डे में जनरली वो सो जाते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं ना जो रात में जगते हैं और दिन में सोते हैं, उन्हें भी हम नॉक्टर्नल एनिमल्स बोल देते हैं या नॉक्टर्नल पीपल बोल देते हैं. ओके, सो जो आउल होता है, यू नो दैट कि आउल रात में भी बहुत अच्छे से देख सकता है. आउल कैन सी वेरी क्लियरली इन द नाइट, इन द डार्क. इट इज सेड दैट owls cannot see in the daylight, but that's not right. Owls can see in the daylight, but their vision is very blurry. Okay? तो दिन में वो अच्छे से नहीं देख पाते, but doesn't mean कि वो बिल्कुल नहीं देख पाते. वो देख पाते हैं लेकिन थोड़ा blurry, मतलब उनको कलर्स भी उतने अच्छे से दिखाई नहीं देते हैं. But रात में तो their vision is very sharp. Yes. And one more interesting fact about owl. You know that owls can rotate their neck almost 270 degrees. Wasn't it so interesting? I hope you enjoyed this video. Now in the next video I'll get some more interesting facts about birds. If you like this video, please do share this video with your family and friends, and do not forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be back very soon. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.